Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best action cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Babyleo wireless baby car camera. Now this camera is a bit different from the others on this list, as it's designed primarily for monitoring babies in cars. But don't let that niche use fool you. It has some impressive features that can work for action camera purposes too. Sporting a 1080p HD resolution and a wide-angle 150-degree lens, it gives you clear and expansive views. The night vision capability ensures visibility in low-light conditions, making it ideal for evening drives or darker environments. The design is functional and user-friendly, with a 360-degree rotatable camera and a 5-inch HD monitor for real-time viewing. Installation is straightforward, and it's wireless, which eliminates cable clutter. However, it's not built for rugged outdoor adventures. It's more suited for indoor or car-based settings. Performance-wise, it offers steady visuals, but the lack of waterproofing or high FPS video recording limits its versatility. While this camera isn't the best choice for adrenaline-filled activities, it's great for parents or anyone needing a monitoring system. At $119.99, it's reasonably priced for its intended use case. But if you're seeking an action-packed adventure camera, you might want to look elsewhere. At number 4, we have the HJBD-GS body camera. This compact and lightweight camera is perfect for hands-free recording, making it ideal for cycling, vlogging, and casual adventures. It records in 4K at 30 FPS, delivering crisp video quality, though it doesn't match the higher frame rates offered by premium models. The 128GB memory card included in the package is a fantastic bonus, allowing you to store hours of footage without worrying about running out of space. One of its standout features is the magnetic back clip, which lets you attach the camera to your clothing, helmet, or even metal surfaces for effortless POV recording. The ultra-lightweight design is a big plus, weighing only 0.11 pounds. But battery life is limited to 90 minutes. Something to keep in mind for extended shoots. It also supports recording while charging, which is helpful for longer sessions. Priced at $63.99, this model is an excellent budget-friendly option for casual users. However, it lacks advanced features like electronic stabilization or waterproofing, which are essential for high-action scenarios. If you're looking for a simple, portable camera for everyday use, the HJBD-GS body camera is a solid choice. Coming in at number 3 is the ODDV 4K 60fps action camera. This budget-friendly powerhouse packs a surprising punch with 4K 60fps video recording, 30-megapixel photo resolution, and dual screens that include a touch-enabled rear display and a front LCD for selfies. At just $54.99, this model is incredibly affordable, yet it comes with advanced features like built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, for smooth, shake-free footage, and a waterproof case that enables underwater recording up to 132 feet. Its design is sleek and intuitive, with easy-to-navigate menus and the convenience of a Wi-Fi remote for wireless control. It's perfect for extreme sports enthusiasts, with features like a 5x zoom for capturing distant objects, and compatibility with the SoupCam Pro app for quick sharing of your adventures. However, the build quality isn't as robust as premium models, and the camera may struggle in extremely low-light conditions. For anyone on a tight budget, this is an unbeatable deal. It's a versatile camera for activities ranging from diving to skateboarding, though professionals may find its limitations noticeable. Overall, the ODDV action camera provides exceptional value for its price, catering to casual users and beginners. At number 2, we have the GoPro Hero. Known for its rugged yet compact design, this action camera delivers 4K Ultra HD video and 12 MP photos in a lightweight package. The Hero is perfect for adventurers who want high-quality footage without the bulk of larger models. Its touchscreen interface is user-friendly, and its waterproof build ensures durability whether you're hiking in the rain or snorkeling. Performance-wise, the GoPro Hero excels in providing vibrant visuals, though it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end GoPro models. With simplified controls and a super light design, it's incredibly easy to use, making it ideal for beginners. However, the maximum focal length of 15 millimeters is more limited compared to other models, and stabilization is less advanced than what's offered by the Hero 13 Black. Priced at $179.99, the GoPro Hero strikes a sweet spot between affordability and performance. It's a fantastic option for those who want reliable GoPro quality without spending a fortune. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, it's still a solid choice for capturing outdoor adventures and everyday moments. And finally, at number 1, we have the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This premium action camera is the gold standard for creators and adventurers alike, offering stunning 5.3K 60 video resolution and 27-megapixel photos. The Hero 13 Black is packed with advanced features, including compatibility with HB series lenses for even more shooting versatility. Its build is rugged and waterproof, ensuring it can handle the most extreme conditions. What truly sets this model apart is its unparalleled performance. The Hero 13 Black boasts upgraded stabilization technology, delivering buttery smooth footage even in high-motion scenarios. Its 2.27-inch touchscreen is vibrant and responsive, while the improved battery life ensures you can shoot for extended periods without interruptions. Whether you're capturing fast-paced sports or cinematic landscapes, this camera excels in every department. At $329.99, it's the most expensive option on this list, but it's worth every penny for professionals and serious hobbyists. If you're looking for top-tier quality, reliability, and versatility, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is the ultimate action camera for 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.